Hey guys, it's Kathy Crafty Chica, and today I'm going to show you how to transform boring cardboard into really cool little shadow boxes and shrines and hearts. And all you need is some cardboard, some scissors, some hot glue, and some paint. I found a medium cardboard box and I cut it into shapes. I didn't even measure anything, I just kind of eyeballed it. But I went with some similar size squares because I knew I wanted to start off by making a little shadow box. I knew that I wanted the front of my shadow box to have a window, maybe some little doors, so I took a post-it note and I used it as a pattern so that I could cut out the square to make the little doors. Then I moved on to the other squares and I cut out what would become the walls. Make sure your hot glue gun is heated up and ready to go, and then you're just going to start gluing those side pieces to the back side of your shadow box. Cut away any excess, and as you glue these down, make sure to also glue the edges and the joints so that it will be nice and sturdy. After that, glue the top and add the front facing to the front of your shadow box. And then you gotta create that nice little crown, the top that goes to your shrine. I just freestyled, cut out the cardboard, I made some neat little wings and I glued those to the side. And my box is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. So now I'm base coating the whole thing white so that I can add bright colors later. I found that the cardboard really soaks up a lot of the paint, so by adding a primer, it will make your colors really pop. And go ahead and color it whatever way you want. You can stamp on it, you can paint, you could use paint pens. I just love different craft acrylics with different designs. I love that folk art style. I rummaged through my little craft stash and I found some little earring pieces that I had made, so I glued those on. I added white just to add a little pop of contrast. And once it's all dry, then you can use Mod Podge or another kind of glossy varnish to give it a little bit of shine. Your shrine shine. And after that, let it dry and you're good to go. Look at how neat. Now the edges, I finished these off with hot glue before I painted them. Here is a heart that I made, same concept. I just used cardboard to put between the two layers of the hearts to give it a dimensional look. Doesn't this make you want to go find a piece of cardboard and get crafty? Anyways, look, I had so much fun with this project. I went on the local news and showed how to make it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Thanks guys, bye-bye.